Prime Day is here on July 16th to 17th, bringing you incredible discounts on a wide range of products. Today, we're diving into the best Prime Day deals on kitchen appliances. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen setup, these deals are too good to miss. All the links to these discounted products is in the description below. Let's get started. First up, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5, a staple in any kitchen, was for $149, now only $349. This stand mixer is known for its durability and versatility, with a powerful 325-watt motor and 10-speed settings to handle any mixing task. With over 15 optional attachments, this mixer can transform into a culinary center, making pasta, grinding meat, and making ice cream.
The Midea Dual Basket Air Fryer, originally priced at $249, now available for $179. This air fryer features two independent baskets, allowing you to cook different foods simultaneously. With its Sense-Finish technology, you can ensure that both dishes finish cooking at the same time. The large capacity makes it perfect for family, and the digital touchscreen offers a variety of preset cooking options. Next, we have the Ninja CREAMi, originally priced at $199, now just $149. This machine allows you to create creamy, delicious ice cream, sorbet, and milkshakes at home with ease. It features 7 one-touch programs and a powerful motor that blends and churns your favorite ingredients into frozen treats. Perfect for hot summer days, this ice cream maker is a must-have for dessert lovers. Plus, it's compact and easy to store, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Next, save big on the Beelicious 8-in-1 Air Fryer, originally $199, now just $79. This multifunctional air fryer can air fry, bake, grill, roast, toast, and more. With its large 7-quart capacity, you can cook meals for the whole family in one go. The LED touchscreen display is intuitive and easy to use, and the air fryer comes with multiple accessories, including a rotisserie kit. Plus, the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. Chill up to 126 cans with the Euhomy Beverage refrigerator, now $209 from $239. It features adjustable shelves, a digital display, and a sleek stainless steel design, perfect for any space. For coffee lovers, the Mr. Coffee Espresso and Coffee Machine, originally $249, is now $142. This versatile machine brews rich espresso shots and froths milk for creamy lattes and cappuccinos. It features a 15-bar pump system for authentic espresso flavor and an easy-to-use control panel. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned barista, this machine brings the coffeehouse experience right to your kitchen. Plus, its compact design fits neatly on your countertop. Next up, we have the Ninja DZ 40110-quart air fryer, which was originally $229, now available for $179. This powerhouse features dual zones, allowing you to cook 2 different foods at the same time with its smart finish and match cook technology. It's perfect for large family or those who love to entertain. With its 6-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate all in one appliance. Plus, the wide temperature range make cooking a breeze. Also on sale is the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker Countertop, originally $249, now $189. This machine produces soft, chewable nugget ice that's perfect for cooling drinks quickly and evenly. It can make up to 26 pounds of ice per day, ensuring you have plenty for all your beverages. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any kitchen or home bar setup. Ideal for those who love entertaining or just enjoy high-quality ice at home. Another fantastic deal is the Nutri Ninja Blender. Was $179, now $129. This powerful blender comes with Auto IQ technology for intelligent blending and features a 1200-watt motor that can crush ice, blend smoothies, and puree vegetables with ease. It includes multiple blending cups for personal use and a large pitcher for family-sized servings. Ideal for health enthusiasts, this blender makes it easy to prepare nutritious drinks and meals in minutes. Farberware Countertop Microwave, now $89 from $129. This 1000-watt microwave offers quick, even cooking with 10 power levels. Compact shape, suits any countertop, easy to clean, it's a reliable and affordable choice. DeLonghi coffee machine, originally priced at $849, now available for just $499. The DeLonghi espresso and coffee machine is a must-have for coffee enthusiasts. This versatile machine offers a true cafe experience at home, capable of brewing rich espresso and creamy cappuccinos with its advanced milk frother. Its sleek design complements any kitchen decor, while its user-friendly interface makes it easy to customize your brew. Plus, the built-in grinder ensures your coffee is always fresh. Cool off with the Silonn ice maker countertop, which was $109, now $88. This efficient ice maker can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 24 pounds of ice in 24 hours. It's perfect for parties, barbecues, or everyday use. With its compact design and quiet operation, it fits perfectly on your countertop and ensures you never run out of ice again. The Instant Pot Instant Stand Mixer Pro is now $199, down from $299. This versatile stand mixer boasts a powerful motor and a large mixing bowl, perfect for whipping up everything from bread dough to cake batter. It features multiple speed settings and attachments, making it a must-have for any baking enthusiast. With its sleek design and robust performance, it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen, especially at this discounted price. Last but not the least, the Ninja OG850 Woodfire grill is now available for $339, down from $399. This versatile grill offers authentic woodfire flavor with a built-in smoker and grill combo. Perfect for cooking enthusiasts, it provides excellent heat distribution and multiple cooking functions, including grilling, smoking, baking, and roasting. Enjoy delicious, smoky BBQs and more with this high-performance grill at a great discounted price. That wraps up our list of the best Prime Day deals on kitchen appliances. These discounts are available for a limited time, so be sure to take advantage of them while they last. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great deals and kitchen tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.